Welcome to the How to Get a Passport tutorial. During this presentation, you will learn about the passport application process and other important information. First, it is important to know if you have a passport. All students participating in an Ohio State Education Abroad program are required to have a passport. If you already have one, please make sure the expiration date is at least 6 months after you return from the program. For example, if your program ends on June 1st, your passport must be valid until at least December 1st of the same year. If you do not have a passport, apply now. If you know that you are going to participate in an education abroad program during your time at Ohio State, but are unsure of which program or when you will travel, we still encourage you to apply early for a passport, as the application process can take a while. Adult passports are valid for 10 years. In order to apply for a passport, you will need a completed passport application form. Secondly, you will need evidence of U.S. citizenship, which might include a previous expired passport, U.S. birth certificate, consular report of birth abroad, certificate of naturalization, or certificate of citizenship. You will also need your present ID card or driver's license and a passport photo. Finally, when you submit your application, you will also need to pay an application fee. You must apply for a passport in person at a passport acceptance facility. Applications can be received at select post offices, libraries, and government offices. You can find these locations using the search tool on travel.state.gov. If you are renewing an existing passport, you may be able to do so by mail. When you apply for a passport, you will need to complete the application and submit all necessary documents in person. The processing time for a new passport is approximately 6 to 8 weeks. However, there may be significant delays due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Under normal circumstances, expedited processing is also available for an additional fee. However, this service is not being offered at this time. Please check travel.state.gov for future updates on passport application processing. When you are completing an application for an education abroad program, there is specific information from your passport that we will need. You will need to upload a copy of the signature and information pages to your application. Please do not block out any information, as it is needed to arrange flights and other accommodations. This concludes the How to Get a Passport tutorial. If you have any questions, please email abroadadvisor@osu.edu. Thank you for watching.